identity, God, it's just something that has probably haunted me since I was a young girl.
Ethnicities are so blurred and the lines are so blurred about who we are, and you know, some of us will feel like we have multiple identities.
Fit into either place, and at one point or another something does give way. One lifestyle is going to give way to the other.
We want to hear your personal stories, challenges that you're facing, your experiences, what you're feeling. We want to go into see what people are thinking. Does anyone like to?
They'd sort of call you by the country that you'd come from. So everyone from the UK was called fish and chips. Everyone from an Arab country was called asir limon. So
how much media and people around you, even teachers, they would have certain comments to make about your dress sense and even just the way you practice religion.
And I did feel quite alienated. I feel pressured to sort of compromise on your beliefs and my religious identity for a more liberal one.
The media pushes this very negative view of Muslims and makes you want to change yourself.
Obviously, as Muslims, we should always look to what Islam has to say about this.
Are we going to just sit back and take it, or are we going to challenge and open up the debate and